What is up, Monet gang, and welcome back to my channel. Now before you do anything else, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you get a notification every time I post more videos on the way. So I'm trying to make more videos using this machine because there's not like any out there. So somebody asked if you can make tote bags using it, and we're gonna try it out. I went to Michael's and got this tote bag, and then this one, I just took the label off of this one. Oh, here it is. But the white one was $1.99, and then they had a 3-pack for $11.99, but I had a coupon, so I think it was like $7 or $8. And then I got this tearaway stabilizer, and then this is the adhesive spray I've been using. Okay, so the videos I looked up, they all was taking like the seam out and then re-sewing it, which I don't know how to sew. I have a sewing machine, but I never used it. It's super confusing, so I don't know how to sew, and I feel like that was doing too much. So I think the best option is just to... Okay, so I was rambling right here, but all I was saying was turn the bag inside out and then attach the hoop and the stabilizer, and make sure the hoop, like the part of the hoop that is going to attach onto the machine, is on the outside of the bag. And make sure like your bag is not upside down, but make sure the opening is facing towards the machine. Like you'll see, but you're going to need the bag to go on top of the machine. Okay, so you're going to turn it inside out to put the stabilizer on, and then turn it back, like, not inside in. Is that good? I don't know. Turn it back to put the hoop on. Unless you could do it the other way. It kind of confuses me when I do it that way. But once the hoop is on, you're going to turn it back inside out. And then connect it to your machine. And this let me show y'all. The shape of the bag is kind of weird, so I don't think it's in the center. And I probably should have ironed it before I used it, but oh well. Like, does that look center? It's weird. It's like a weird shape at the bottom. Oh well, it doesn't have to be perfect. But turn it back inside out and then connect it to the machine. Okay, I don't know why it took me like 20 minutes to find a design, but I'm about to show y'all the thread I use. I get it from Amazon. I think it was like $25 for the entire box, and I try to link everything down below. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing y'all two different methods. I think it depends on the fabric of the bag and kind of the size of the bag. So the white ones are polyester, and then the black ones are canvas. So the white ones, I just use binder clips to clip them back because they were more like, they're polyester, so they're easier to work with. But I'm gonna show y'all how I did the black ones as well. Okay, so this is the black bag. I started off like the exact same way as the white one, but since this is a thicker material, I did end up having to change my hoop because it wouldn't go over the machine like I needed it to. And I changed it to this 4x4 hoop from Amazon, and I'll link that down below.
so this is the finished look. I like both of them, but the polyester one, the white one, I'm about to show y'all in a minute, but like where the hoop was at and where some of it, like the design went, it did kind of stretch the material of the bag. You really can't see it, but okay, there it goes. So the black one is way better. So if you do go to Michael's and get one, just get that one.